Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 2 tan t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about 4 tan t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root. ds, you got about 2 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one go in here and here. ds we change by this one. This one you got about 4 tan t square. This one you got about 8 tan t to the power of 3. Number 4, we can do about factorization. This one you got about secant of t square. The square root of 4 secant of t square, you got about 2 secant of t. Number 8, number 2, we multiply each other and you got about 32. Secant of t with secant of t square, you got about secant of t to the power of 3. Now, tan t to the power of 3, we can put into sin t over cosine t to the power of 3. Similar for this one, we change into 1 over cosine t to the power of 3. Now we combine two fractions in here. So you got about sin t to the power of 3 over cosine t to the power of 6. Sin t to the power of 3, we put into sin t square multiplied by sin t. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin t square plus cosine t square equals to number 1. So because we have sin t square in here, so we put cosine t square go to the right. And we got about 1 minus cosine t square. So I will put this one go in here. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to cosine t. dz, you got about negative sin t dt. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. This one you got about z square. This one you got about z to the power of 6. Sin t dt we change by negative dz. Now we have number 1 divided by z to the power of 6. Z square divided by z to the power of 6. So you got about z to the power of negative number 6 minus z to the power of negative number 4. Because 2 minus 6, you got about negative number 4. This one we don't have z, that's about z to the power of number 0. 0 minus 6, you got about negative number 6. And now we have the final answer. the integration of z to the power of negative number 6, you got about z to the power of negative number 6 plus 1 over negative number 6 plus 1. Similar for the next one. So this one you got about negative number 5, negative number 5, negative number 3, negative number 3. About z, that is about cosine t. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. And you got about t equals to arctan of s over 2. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.